Hey guys, just updating you guys real quick on the FUNKO play that I did the TA on a little bit earlier. I did tell you guys that we were on the road to going back to 646. We are currently on the road to going back. I would be perfectly comfortable shorting FUNKO at these prices all the way up to 646. Unfortunately, I don't do shorts. I would only buy a put on FUNKO right now, but I'm waiting to buy in. I'm not waiting to actually, short this stock. I will happily be swing trading FUNKO, and I will be buying in at 646. If it drops back down lower to 596, I am going to be purchasing some more. I do think that $6 or the 596 level is going to be the floor, and we are going to keep rising up. We're still extremely bullish right now for FUNKO on the day chart and also on the 4-hour chart. The MACD is currently about to close. It's going to turn slightly bearish for FUNKO right now. I do not think that we're actually gonna keep going down, especially right now. I mean, even on the weekly, we're still super bullish. There's no reason why we can't we're not gonna keep going all the way up to $8. I do think we're gonna drop back down to that six, what is it called, what did I say, that 646 level. I am gonna be purchasing about 80% of my swing position there, and then if we drop back down to 596, I will be purchasing my other 20% of my position. I will be holding, and more than likely I will be having my sell limit at $8, and then from $6 to $8, that's like a 30% gain, I think. I am going to be buying about $6,000 worth of FUNKO. 30% of that is going to be $1,800. So I'm looking to actually get a $1,800 profit from FUNKO. I don't think I'm going to be holding FUNKO after the $8. I do think that it has potential to go all the way back up to 25 to its previous highs. There are rumors that FUNKO is actually going to be partnering with Disney. I would absolutely believe that 100%. I would definitely believe that Disney is going to be perfectly happy with FUNKO, maybe possibly doing purchasing them all out. On the MACD for the month chart, it looks like we're still bearish, but I do think the upside to FUNKO is absolutely incredible, and I do think that we have a huge potential to go back to our top range of $28. So yeah, I will be starting. I do, as of right now, we did retest, as you guys can see. We did retest this candle at $7.10. We retested, and I do think we're going to go back all the way down. I will be buying my position. I will start buying at 646, and if we drop down to 596, I'll buy more. But yeah, this is my TA. This is basically what I'm going to do for my next screen trade, and I'll see you guys next time.